Have you ever watched a massive technology project fail, wasting millions of dollars, simply because no one asked the right questions? Welcome to the EA Strategy Masterclass. In this complete guide, I am going to show you the exact blueprint solutions architects use to prevent digital disasters. You will learn how to uncover hidden business needs, manage demanding stakeholders, and map out a bulletproof strategy that actually works. Stick around for the whole course, and you will master the art of turning messy ideas into rock-solid digital transformations. Let's dive in. Building your digital future is exactly like building your dream house. You wouldn't just buy a massive pile of bricks and start stacking them without a plan. You need an architect first. In the business world, this vital planning stage is called requirements analysis. It answers one fundamental question: what does your organization actually need to do? Solutions architects step in as your detectives, therapists, and engineers. Through careful preparation, interactive workshops, and meticulous review, they uncover your hidden operational needs and translate those messy ideas into a rock-solid blueprint for your digital success. Failing to prepare is preparing to fail. To avoid absolute chaos in your requirements meetings, you have to prepare meticulously to build a solid skeleton before adding the flesh of the project. First, define a crystal-clear purpose to act as your guiding compass. Next, do your homework by reviewing existing documents, and maybe even use AI to help summarize them. Then carefully select your attendees. Invite the right people to the right sessions so everyone feels comfortable speaking up. Finally, prep your environment and share interactive prototypes to spark imagination and ground the conversation in reality. Welcome to the capture session. As the architect, your first job is to set the stage and use a parking lot to keep off-topic ideas from derailing the agenda. Next, you need to uncover the true functional requirements. When users ask for a specific feature, gently ask why repeatedly to dig down to the core business process they are actually trying to solve. Finally, ditch the confusing jargon and use whiteboards to map out the journey. Visual diagrams get everyone instantly on the same page. While functional requirements cover what a system does, non-functional requirements dictate exactly how well it does it, like speed, security, and scalability. The golden rule? You must make them measurable. Instead of simply saying make it fast, define exact load times. Next, always plan for exceptions, or the unhappy path, so your system doesn't crash when things go wrong. Finally, guard your project against scope creep by gently pushing extra features to phase 2. The workshops might be over, but the architect's job is just getting started. First, all those messy notes and whiteboard pictures must be translated into a formal, structured document. Next, we verify everything by sharing meeting minutes and checking every requirement against the overall project strategy to spot any missing gaps. To keep track of this massive list, we use a requirements traceability matrix, a master checklist that guarantees no feature is ever forgotten. Finally, using agile methods, we break the project into bite-sized pieces, delivering real value incrementally to solve human problems. We started by laying a solid foundation, meticulously preparing our purpose, documentation, and agenda before anyone even entered the room. During the workshops, we acted as facilitators, constantly asking why to uncover the true business processes rather than just taking feature orders. We locked down measurable non-functional requirements and planned for unhappy path exceptions while actively guarding against scope creep. Finally, we translated our scattered notes into a verified blueprint, tracked every need with a traceability matrix, and delivered the final solution incrementally using agile methods to solve real human problems.